and plus 20 divided
20.
by 14.
14.
Right? So now I can also write like that.
28k.
Now see, whatever I will take the value of k here, this will always be completely divided by 14. Any doubt?
No doubt.
So it means remainder is here.
0.
But here always remainder will be
6.
6. So remainder is fixed here 6. Na? Poor girl. You are telling we cannot find out fixed number. See, I found out.
Oh, only reminder.
No,
I
I
thought
didn't understand the remainder.
I thought what is the number n? I am thinking that.
You are thinking too much this time. And see guys, second, when n is divided by 7, so 7k plus 6 divided by 14 guys. So 7k
9k by 14 plus 6
plus 6
by
plus
14 is
14.
constant.
So tell what is the remainder here? 7. And here 6. But guys, here two remainders are there. So guys, I cannot find out from statement 2 guys. Because 7 is not completely divided by 14 guys. That's why. So only first statement is valid guys here. In the doubt, you can ask.
Really, you didn't understand.
You did not. N is divided by 14. You took it 14 as you're dividing 7k upon 14 plus 6.
Actually, see, 28 is multiple of 4. So,
Not good.
Manish approach is good here. 28k plus 20. Like we have written from statement 1 real. 28 into k. K is the quotient and plus 20 by 14. Like this he did. This is the whole number. If it will be
Wait,
divided by 14, you will get remainder what he is asking. So we can separate the constant part
But
and
no,
the
I
variable part.
understood that thing. I'm understanding the question. N is divided by 14. You will always divide this 28k plus 20 upon 14 because N is divided by 14. You N take it as a k. You consider N to be k, right?
No,
Yes,
no,
yes.
no. Yeah, Manish, N, no, Manish, N, not
What?
K. She is telling N is K.
No, not K. See, K is not K. K is here. You know what? Consent Priya. See, okay, you remove K, no problem. You remove K. So 20 plus
Quotient.
20, you take 14. So still
14.
if you divide this 20, so it is completely divided, na? So only
Yes.
remainder will come from 20 only. This is fixed number. So it means we can get fixed remainder. But here 7 is also not divided and 6 is also not divided. So there will be different number, na? That's why guys, two has different remainder, but only one has fixed remainder. Guys, here I want a fixed remainder, fixed. And that is possible, guys, when there
More
is a
than
multiple of
observation.
14. Multiple of 14.
Not factor of 14, not
Yeah.
work. Multiple of 14 is work.
You buy this video, guys, you will understand actually. Yes, guys, this is question, guys, which I was waiting for. This
Which
question I
one?
want you guys to solve this question.
5 cards, numbers
34
1 to 5,
are arranged in a row.
left to right. Each card has different color are blue, red, blue, green, yellow, black. Red card is immediately to the right of card 1, and blue card is not at the right.
Card 3 is immediately to the left of the green card, and card 5 is at one of the ends. Yellow card is not adjacent to the black card, guys. This is very very important information, guys. Guys. So guys, you have time. Guys, you solve this question. I want this answer. Very easy question.
In a row.
The blue card is not at the end. Card 3 is
Red
immediately to the
color
left
is
of the green card.
either red, red, or red. Blue card is red, red, green, red.
Blue card is not at the end.
Adjacent means like
Not together.
Side.
Yeah.
not to be side, right?
Above. Yellow card is not adjacent to the black.
What is the answer, Manish? Card number 3.
Manish, see 1 to 5 is the order one. 1 to 5 is the order one.
Order
Uh-huh.
one.
Like first one will come, two will come like this from left to right.
Yes. Left.
Okay.
Hmm.
This is not
Yeah, this is very good information you have asked actually. Because you know what, if you don't know this na, so you will be in trouble.
I am
So
troubling. I am trouble. I am
1
in
to 5
trouble.
is in the order, you are saying.
Right
Hmm.
of the time.
It means ki from left to right, one has one, then two, then three, then four, then five,
See,
guys.
I got wrong here. Okay.
Hmm.
Not please immediately left to the green card.
Okay. Because that is
And
what I
five is
said.
one of it.
So I think immediately left on the green card. Card 5 is not at the end. One of the ends. I guess it's going to be the second.
Card five is it one of its item of the ends.
Manish, card number 3 is blue, kya?
Card 3.
Huh.
I have to solve actually. You guys are getting blue. You tell Bhagya.
I'm getting
No,
blue.
I am getting not.
You're not getting.
No, Manish.
You are stuck where? Tell.
See here, card 5 is at one of the end. Why he has given this statement? Already 5 is the last number which is put at right side.
So it's a
Then
normal thing, no? You can take black card or yellow card at the end. Whatever you feel like. You obviously you take black card only at the end.
blue in middle and red in middle. Okay.
Red
Then
and
green,
green in middle only. Green is the left,
fourth one.
fourth one.
Left, second one, no?
Uh, Card
ठीक है.
3 is immediately
Card
to the
3 is
left to the
immediately
green
to the
card.
left of the blue.
Fourth one
So
is the
fourth
green
place
card.
is green
And
and
third is
blue.
blue.
Blue is the
Third is
middle one.
See guys, now listen.
Uh, wait, Manish, we got it. You
Okay,
got
Tell,
me.
I
tell the
know you
answer.
guys got. Now listen. The best
Yellow
way to
card is adjacent to the black
Tell.
card.
Wait na
Not
Bhagya, let
adjacent.
him tell.
Okay.
guys. Now listen, guys. The best way to solve this question, you know what, guys? You guys, you know what? Just jump into the question and all, guys. How many elements are there? You guys don't actually consider this thing. What I have judged from you guys actually. So guys, this actually not good. Guys, see, if question is difficult, guys, you know you will be in trouble in exam hall. Let me tell you, because in exam hall you will not have more than 1 minute, guys, for this question. Hmm.
Manish, do of
Guys,
one blue
guys,
card.
now
Hmm.
shut your mouth, poor girl. Now listen
Okay,
what I'm
okay.
saying. Now see, there are positions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then second number is card number, and third is color basically. So this is guys what you need to understand every time. Okay, how many elements are there? Hmm. Now see how will I arrange, guys, in very easy manner. There is no confusion at all. Basically. Now see, uh, the red card is immediately to the right of card one. So here,
That
card
is.
one.
Uh,
Hmm. Card one. So red card is immediately to the
Right.
right, na?
Right.
It means red will be
To
here.
second. Hmm.
Hmm. Now, blue card is not at end actually. So guys, here blue cannot be here and blue cannot be here. Hmm. Okay. Then card 3 is immediately to the left of green card. So card 3 here. And what question says?
Green is
Left
fourth
to the
Left.
position.
green card.
So green will be in fourth.
Hmm.
This is confirmed. So now guys, blue cannot be here and blue cannot be here. So blue will be here. So card 3. Deadly answer I got. Tell Bhake where you are stuck.
Manish, I am thinking which one is come at the end because there are two, black and yellow. I am arranging
And is
that
not
one.
asking, na? And is
Ah,
not
no.
asking. Hmm.
I am not thinking that. I am placing the
Hmm.
black and yellow.
Hmm. So Priyal, stop the video.